that.
Hello and thanks for tuning into our show. I'm Stuart.
I'm Ruth.
Living in Japan is a program for international residents in Japan, whether you're here now or expect to be in the future.
We're the place to turn to for tips on making the most of your life in Japan.
Indeed we are. Ruth, we've introduced lots of options for traveling around the country in our program. Trains, bicycles and wheelchairs, but this time we're headed for the highway. Our guest is Jared Campion. He's been in Japan for 14 years and is in a business related to camper vans for international people. He's a